Hi friends! Come with me to make your very own hand pumpkin. Are you ready to make a hand pumpkin with me? For your very own hand pumpkin, you're going to need construction paper, and the colors we'll be using are orange and green. And then we'll use some glue. I'm using clear. And we can use some markers for the eyes, nose, and mouth. Be sure to ask your parents for help with the scissor. The first colors we'll need for the hand pumpkin are orange and green. Let's find orange and green. There's orange, green, and there's green. We have our orange paper and we have some markers. So for the face of the pumpkin,
now that we have a construction paper, we're going to trace our hand with the pencil or marker. Make sure you go around each finger carefully and slowly. Almost done. There's my hand. Now we're going to cut all the way around. And remember to ask your parents for help while using a pair of scissors. Be sure to cut carefully, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. And there you have it. There's my hand, which will be making a hand pumpkin. Now we need green construction paper to make the stem and a few of the twirly leaves. Some of my leaves are a little squiggly. You can make them however you like. Now we're going to cut those pieces out very carefully. You really don't have to cut these squiggly because you're going to make them squiggly when you twist and turn them. Okay, let's do another one. Now it's time to glue the pieces on top of the pumpkin hand. We're going to glue the stem and the leaves. Before I glue, I want to make sure I twist and twirl the paper. This will become the little leaves. It's just the cutest little twirly, curly leaves. Just start by twisting and turning. Now we're going to glue them on together. Make sure you apply a great amount of glue. Now we're going to add the stem. We're going to add some glue to add to the curly leaves. And if the curls just become undone, you can just twist and turn them again and add a little more curl. There we go. Just a little more curl and a little more glue. Ta-da! I really wanted this to be a curly-headed pumpkin, so I added more curly leaves on top. Now we're drawing the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. You can add a smile, or you can add teeth if you like. I'm drawing a nice smiley hand pumpkin. Look how cute! Isn't this pumpkin adorable? There you have it. There's my hand pumpkin.
here's my pumpkin. Your pumpkin looks great too. Now let's wait for it to dry. After about 10 minutes, it should be all dry. Thanks for making a pumpkin hand with me.